Oh, hey guys, what's up? I was just playing around and now we're gonna do the Thai turkey throwdown. So this is one that I love to make for my bank account. Great meals, great snacks, great all around. So grab all these ingredients that you see here and come right back because we're going to Thai Town. Okay guys, I'm just starting into some ginger here. I got a half of a nub there peeled. I'm gonna peel the other half with this back side, or I guess the front side of this spoon. And I'm just gonna kind of give it a rough chop. Okay, ginger's done, guys. On the garlic, I'm just gonna hammer it with the side of my knife. Good, and then from there, again, just a rough chop. This is gonna cook down, so I'm not too worried about having big chunks. And this is the great start to any meal. I'm gonna get some salt and pepper on our turkey. Get that seasoned side down, and the garlic. And then garlic and ginger like onion. So that half in here. Boom. And I'll take a wooden spoon or bamboo spoon and start breaking that up. Then if you look over here, I've got my food processor set up with the shredding blade. And then from there, I'm just gonna turn this thing on. As this thing fills up, we'll just take it out, dump it in, okay? All right guys, carrots are rocking. Back over here, time to get radical on some shrooms. I just rinsed these off. You can slice these, you can quarter them. We're gonna just give this a little flip. Got some good color on our turkey underneath. These carrots are gonna break down. Shrooms will break down too, it'll give us some room. I'm actually gonna go in with some water chestnuts. Boom, boom. And then bamboo shoots. I'm just gonna help these guys along and run my knife through them. Okay guys, you can see which flame was hotter. See over here, the color difference, a little bit darker, some caramelization happening. This one's a little bit brighter. We'll turn this flame up a bit. But we just gotta make sure that our turkey's cooked. Shrooms aren't raw. I'm confident on that, so I'm gonna add coconut milk, some sambal, a good little healthy, maybe a third of a cup. Fish sauce, optional of course, but I love it. Give it 10 spooges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably need a little greenery in there, so we're gonna rely on cilantro for that. But what I wanna do, I'm gonna chill all this down first, and then we'll add the cilantro at the end, and I'll let you know when that happens. I'll show you how it goes. All right guys, we got our Thai turkey throwdown. It's chilled down. See how I rhymed the down? Pretty creative, huh? Anyways, it's looking like this. And as we said, we're gonna chill that down before we add our greenery. Obviously, if we're gonna eat this right away, go ahead and get the cilantro in. But one of the ninja moves is to cool stuff down so that this green stays vibrant, bright. We're not going for Oscar the Grouch, we're going for like something more like this. Cilantro, stir it in, and man, there, gives it a little pop. All right guys, so I'll finish this up with some sambal like this. If I'm at a place on the reheat where I don't have sambal, I'm all set. I like a little heat to mine, but set yours up how you like. Great way to stock your bank account and just great all the way around. So I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep it paleo.